Okay, so here we have my seat system. I said I tried to do a detailed overview of my DIY fully adjustable height kayak seat. So here we have it. A nice little logo. The seat itself is just a standard stadium seat. We picked it up from Finger Hut. I think my wife got it for us. Me and actually went for my son. You can find these stadium seats in a number of places, Amazon, Marketplace, lots of different areas. Okay, so it is 1¼ inch steel tubing. I guess you would call it a basic scissor lift type of design. You can see the full framework. The height adjustment is on the holes you see here and the pins that go into it. As you can maybe hopefully see, the pins go right into each of the holes for different heights. It is it's heavy, 22 pounds with the seat and everything. Not really an issue on our kayaks because, well, they're styrofoam and they'll float a lot of weight. But I do think I can lighten it up by possibly drilling some weight reduction holes along each of the bars without stressing it. I possibly may try to make it out of aluminum later. The seat is held on by self-tapping screws, 3 on each side, that screw from there into the aluminum frame of the seat itself. Let's see if I can adjust this height while holding the camera. Cut, and I'll be back when I can place the camera somewhere. Okay, so here we go on this height adjustment from flat up to there. It'll go way high. And you can let it down incrementally into each of the holes or all the way down. Just to raise it, just raise the front of the seat, lift the back, it comes up and down. That's it, each of the holes. There's 10 of them along there for different heights. That is as flat as it will go. But I could have made it go lower. I did add this brace bar in here. I could have put it here and allowed it to go completely flat where all the bars touched. But this bar was added here specifically so that it only claps down to there. The reason for that is we use these dollar store hinge containers for tackle storage, and this seat is perfect to fit 2 of them right under there. This bar sits about 1/4 inch off the top of the boxes. So that's why I did put the brace there and stood down lower where it didn't collapse all the way down flat. I want to be able to fit 2 of these boxes under there. Plus, this is just about the right height for the lowest you want to sit in our kayaks with the side rails that we have. And easy access for our larger tackle storage. And we keep our bigger stuff in it nice and handy. So there it is. Our seating systems, completely DIY. You could call it sort of a junkyard challenge type of build. 1.25" steel tubing that I had laying around. Welder. Nuts and bolts I already had. Literally cost me, other than the seat, literally cost me nothing to build because I had all the stuff already on hand laying around. You don't get much better than that, cost wise at least. And I'll go back to the forward view and try to get some more shots of it. Okay, and I'm back for a more close-up type. As you can see in here with the boxes in, they slide up and hit the bars in the back, come right up to the front. And so this bar ends up about a 1/4 inch off the top of that. And I hope that this helps give other people ideas of how to make an adjustable seat base for their kayak seats. Thank you for watching. And I hope everyone has a nice and safe 2018 fishing season. Enjoy yourself and stay safe out there.